Hello everyone. Today we will learn unite, subtract and intersect feature situated in a home tab. So let's start with unite feature. I already created two bodies which have different colors as you can see. So let's get with unite one. In the unite feature, its name already suggests that to combine multiple bodies. We use this command. There are two options. One is a target body, second one is a tool body. Target means a main body on which we have to unite other parts. So I am selecting green as a target body. A tool, I am selecting the other one. Here are two things, keep target and keep tool. I will explain you in the subtract feature. There is a tolerance is also mentioned. This tolerance is defined how much precise this operation you have to perform. Keep tolerance as it is and hit OK. As you can see, as I did the unite, the both bodies color get as a 1, and in the section view also you can see there is no parting line. Before unite feature there was a parting line, so means the two bodies are different. After unite they as a combined, they acting as a combined body. So let's go to the another command, subtract one. For the subtract feature, there should be some interference, means one body is interfering into other one. So for that, I will extrude this feature in the opposite direction to subtract feature to get perform. Here I will put some minus value. As you can see, it's extruded in the other direction, so it's interfering into one another. In the subtract feature, there is a target body from which you have to subtract the other part. I want to subtract this part from the green body, so I am selecting this as a target body. Then tool, which tool I have to subtract this part. There are the two setting, keep target and keep tool. If I do the keep tool setting, then the same part will get subtracted from the bottom body, but this part will be remaining. Let me show you how. Right now I am tick marking as a keep tool. Okay, and let me hide this body. The subtract feature is performed, and you can see the tool is also there. It's because I tick mark that keep tool feature. Let me remove that feature, keep tool, and you can see tool is directly hidden or get subtracted entirely from that uh, body. So as per your convenience or as per your application, you can keep these settings. In the keep target setting, it will not get subtracted, but the tool will get uh, deleted. In the keep tool setting, the tool will remaining, but whatever the portion is intersecting the other body will get subtracted. Tolerance is same as that of that operation. Tolerance is there, how much precise you want, and hit OK. So here you can see the body is get subtracted from the other one. Let's move towards other command. Intersect. In the intersect command, what is the common part between two bodies or multiple bodies which remains same and other gets deleted. So in these both bodies, the water that extruded bottom side extruded part is there, it will be only kept and other things will get subtracted. I selected both, and as you can here see, whatever the interference part is only remaining is there. Hence we learn all three commands.